Today what I'd like to do is show you how that you'd be able to register a domain name either with SEO Expert Domains or GoDaddy. The process is very similar. The initial screens that you'll see will be a little bit different, but behind the scenes, once you get into it, it's going to be very similar, and we'll give you a few ideas, some of the important things to take into consideration in reserving a domain name. So first of all, let's go up here and go out to www.seoexpertdomains.com. And when we're at the seoexpertdomains.com website, this is what you'll see. There's a little bit of difference between how you log in here and how you log in at GoDaddy. With GoDaddy, your screen will look like this. You'll notice over here in this area that this is where you would log in with GoDaddy. With SEO Expert Domains, we'll be over here in the click on the My Account in order to log in. So let's go ahead and go to the login page. As the login page comes up here, on this screen I already have the username and password remembered on this computer, so I'm just going to go ahead and log in there and click the secure login. Now as this comes up, the first thing that we'll see is this main screen that's pretty much the same both in GoDaddy and in SEO Expert Domains. Let me go ahead and log into GoDaddy so that you can see the similarities here. Once I've logged into GoDaddy, I have one additional step. I'm going to click the My Account over in the login area, same place, same area where I logged in. And now we'll see that the screens are very similar here. I have my products that I'm going to be working with here. If I go to the SEO Expert Domains, same thing, my products that I'm going to be working with here. So getting into either SEO Expert Domains or GoDaddy is a little bit different, but once you're inside, the setup is essentially the same. Now, if I were wanting to register a domain, if I didn't have a domain already, then I could do this before I create my account. Let's go ahead and log out here so I can show you from the beginning how that would happen. I'm going to scroll down to where it says start your domain name search here, and I'm going to search for Platinum. You want to make sure you spell what you're doing. Platinum MGT.com. We'll see if that is available. And Platinum Management is available. I'm going to go ahead and reserve that domain name. So I'm going to scroll down here to where the Continue button is. Click the Continue button. Now, most of your domain name registration sites are going to offer you lots of additional things. In most cases, you want to just ignore all of those offers unless there's something in particular that you need. So in this case, they're offering me the .org, the .net, the .info. I just need the .com, and I don't want to necessarily have all those others. I'll let somebody else take those. Most people are going to type .com by accident. That will drive people to my website if other people decide to pick up the .org or .net or .info. So I'm just going to come down here, a little bit obscure, but it says no thanks, continue to checkout. And I'm going to go ahead and do that. In this case, I have already created the account. So what I'm going to do instead, I'm going to log into an existing account. Normally you would create your new account here, but I'm going to go ahead and log into the existing account and then click the secure login button here. And this is something I think is a little bit misunderstood by people, but what you want to do is register if you're building a website where you're going to be doing e-commerce or something where you're wanting to build page rank and get up high in the search engines. Typically you want to register your domain name for at least 2 years. If you register it for 1 year, in a few days your registration then will show that it's going to expire in less than a year. When the search engines are looking at your website, one of the things they want to know is that you're going to be around a little bit. If your domain name expires in a year or less, Looks a little bit like you're a fly-by-night company, that maybe you're a domain name squatter, you're buying domain names to try and resell them, neither of which are things that the search engines are looking for. So 2 years or more is typically what I would recommend that you purchase domain names for. At SEO Expert Domains, the domains have been discounted. If you noticed at GoDaddy, domains are $9.99. At SEO Expert Domains, they're only $7.59, the cheapest place that I'm aware of to buy domains. So I'm just going to go ahead and accept the 2-year registration to make sure that I'm getting the benefit of that 2 years. Okay, we'll try one more time here, see if we can move on to the next step. Say no thanks, I'm ready to check out. Click continue. And now it's showing we're ready to check out here. I had previously attempted to register this domain but got interrupted, and I think that's what was causing the problem there. So normally you wouldn't see that. Notice that you're only paying $7.49 plus whatever that is, half of that 15, maybe $7.59. But it's very much cheaper than you'd pay at GoDaddy, about $2.50 a year. So our total with our ICANN transfer fee, or transaction fee rather, is $15.88 to purchase this. So we're going to go ahead and select a method of payment. In this case, I'm going to put this domain in the account that I have at PayPal, so we'll go ahead and do that. Have to check the boxes that you've read the agreements, and then click the checkout and wait for it to process that. And then here we go. Everything looks okay, so we're going to go ahead and then check out, and we get our receipt number, so that domain has now been purchased. All right, well, that's about it for today. Let's go ahead and log out of our account here, and we'll see you next time when we take a look at another marketing strategy or use of our domain name or our domain hosting account. Thank you for joining me today. Bye.